In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your spreadsheet ID in Google Sheets. Every Google Sheet has a unique identity code called a spreadsheet ID. You'll need this when you connect a sheet to other tools, write Google Apps script, or set up automations and integrations. Think of it as the sheet's fingerprint. It identifies the entire file, no matter which tab you're viewing. Here's how to spot it quickly. Open the Google Sheet you want to work with in your web browser. Now, look closely at the address bar at the top of your screen. Google Sheets URLs follow a predictable pattern. You'll see the word Spreadsheets, then page DI, followed by a long string of letters, numbers, and dashes. That long string ends right before the next forward slash and the word edit. The characters between D and the very next slash are your spreadsheet IDs. To capture it cleanly, click once in the address bar to highlight the full URL, then carefully select only the section after D and before the next slash. Avoid grabbing the slashes themselves, just the characters in the middle. If your cursor keeps selecting too much or too little, use your keyboard's arrow keys while holding Shift to fine-tune the selection. Once you've got only that section highlighted, copy it. That's your spreadsheet ID, ready to paste into your script, API call, or automation tool. Here's a helpful tip so you don't mix things up. At the very end of the URL, you might see something like GID0 or another number. That's the GID, which identifies a specific tab, not the whole spreadsheet. If you're building automations or using app script functions like OpenByID, you almost always want the big ID in the middle, the one right after /D. The GID is useful only if you need to target a particular sheet tab within the file, but it won't replace the spreadsheet IDs. A quick note on sharing. The spreadsheet ID is not a password. Having it doesn't grant access to your data by itself. Your sharing settings still control who can see or edit the file, so you can safely copy the ID for development purposes while keeping your document protected by permissions. That's it. Once you can recognize the page edit pattern, grabbing the ID becomes second nature. Copy the characters between those two slashes, and you're ready to connect your Google Sheet wherever it needs to go.